whenever we write an article, the first important thing is the title of the article. What is the ideal length of a title? What is the maximum pixel density you should use? So we have given what is the description. So title and description, the length of the content title, what should be. So ideally, your article title should not be more than 60 to 70 characters. It should be crisp. It should talk about the message you want to communicate upfront. Because understand, this article gets shared in social media, gets shared on WhatsApp, gets shared on multiple different platforms. And when they get shared, if your message is not clear, then people may not click on it itself. Secondly, search engine will not like it if the article title is not aligned with what users are searching. Though people have this mechanism of doing clickbaiting. So what they will do is they will have a different title for user, but while sharing it on social media, they will have a different titles. That's concept is called clickbait, where you are compelling users to click on it by creating an ambiguous title. That's also publishers doing something. But ideally, for good SEO outreach, your title should not be really big. It should restrict. Similarly, your description or the S2 tags should also restrict to certain length. I mentioned here, ideally the title should be 30, 60 to 70 characters, and description should be 70 to 130 characters, nothing more than that. If it goes to 155, 160 is fine. Post that, it won't be SEO friendly. And if you look at, say, Facebook card, you will see if you provide a big title or big description in your OG tags, Facebook itself trim it and shows the essential part of it. So if your essentials are not covered in the first, you will probably lose out on the messaging. Second is, when I'm writing a content, what is that I should be focusing on? So keywords should always be based on the intent. I should not be using keywords which, I mean, I should not be using too many verbs, too many adjectives in the title. I should be talking about mostly nouns. So nouns and the which clear the proper phrases, proper the message, right? I should be using the words or phrases in such a way that my message is clear. So my intent should be clear. So I should be using transactional or commercials messages in the title itself. For example, I'm talking about a book called, say, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So I should be talking about the book name, and probably the writer as a title. I should not be talking about the adjectives to it, to verb to it. For example, another example I can cite out right now is Modi visiting Varanasi, right? It's very much clear. This message about Modi visiting Varanasi, or Modi is talking about demonetization, demonetization declared, right? These are the small crisp title. Rather than telling a title like what happened on 8th November when Modi came online at 8 p.m. That will be very ambiguous title and not at all SEO friendly, right? So our title should be very intent based keywords. It should not be having lot of ambiguity. It should not be using the generic words into it. It should always be focused.